Today I'm going to be making scallop salad with ponzu jelly. I'm using a super easy trick to make a ponzu jelly ready in no time. It's basically a no-cook recipe, so no sweat, so it's perfect for summer. Let's get started. Before you start cooking, chill your serving dish. Everything should be really cold to make it extra crisp and refreshing. Let's start with the jelly. In a heat-proof bowl, add 1 teaspoon of gelatin, 1/3 cup of boiling water. Whisk to dissolve. If any granules remains, microwave it for 20 to 30 seconds at 600 watt, just enough to melt the gelatin completely. Next, add 1/3 cup of ponzu and 6 to 5 pieces of ice cubes. Give it a gentle stir and let it set. It will begin to softly set in just a few minutes. No fridge needed. While that's working, let's prepare the salad. Use any crisp greens you like. Today I'm using mizuna, baby leaves, radish sprout for peppery kick, and little cherry tomatoes. If you have time, chew the salad for about 1 hour. It makes all the difference. Now for the scallops. These are the sashimi-grade scallop, so we are serving them low. Rinse them in a bowl of icy cold water, then pat dry and slice in half horizontally. Lay them gently over the salad greens. By now, our ponzu jelly should be ready. Use a spoon to gently break it into the small pieces. Spoon it generously over the scallops and greens. The sweet scallops and crunchy greens and refreshing ponzu jelly comes together so beautifully. It's light and looks elegant and easy to make, perfect for the hot day. For finishing touch, drizzle with a little olive oil for adding the aroma and silky finish. You can use this ponzu jelly for other seafood like shrimp or squid or other vegetables. Play around with your favorite ingredients. Some of you may remember this recipe was actually inspired by a coffee jelly drink I shared before. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!